Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Godaddy domain to Shopify. This process allows your customers to reach your online store using your custom web address. We will start by logging into your Shopify admin and navigating to the online store section. From there, we will select Domains to initiate the connection of your existing Godaddy domain. It's a straightforward process that ensures your brand is professionally represented online. Once you are in the Shopify Domains section, you will click on the Connect Existing Domain button. A prompt will appear where you need to type in your full Godaddy domain name, for example, yourstore.com. After entering your domain, Shopify will guide you through the next steps, which involve updating some important settings with your domain provider. This ensures Shopify recognizes your ownership and prepares for the connection. Now switch over to your Godaddy account. You'll need to find the DNS management area for the domain you wish to connect. Here, you will update two crucial records. First, change your record, often represented by an @ symbol, to point to Shopify's IP address, which is 23.227.38.65. Second, update your CNAME record for www to shops.myshopify.com. Remember to save these changes. After making those changes in Godaddy, it's important to be patient. DNS updates can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet. Once some time has passed, head back to your Shopify admin. In the Domains section, click Verify Connection to confirm that your custom domain is now successfully linked to your store. You can then test your website by typing your domain name into a web browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.